Globalization promotion. Now we are in PLASTPOL 2025. It is my pleasure to invite Mr. Adam from Borche. Hello, Mr. Adam.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm so happy to visit your booth again. I find you have some special and some different with last year, right? So could you please share to me what is the special point or special information?
Yes, for sure. This year we present the new all-electric machine from the Borche. It's a new version, BD Pro. We hope it will be good introduction to the market. Now we're starting with this project, and we hope that customer will be happy about this. Yeah.
Wow, that is wonderful.
Yeah. It's the main change from this year.
Yeah.
But this is the machine BU. It's two-platter machine, the standard one, but it's also quite popular in the Poland.
That is why you are so stronger here, right? You have a lot of good customers because you have the good machine and a good special point, and they like to buy the machine from you, right?
Yeah, we have a good long-term relationship with the Borche. We are happy about the cooperation. We have the same value. So for us, the most important thing in Poland is to support customer in different spaces. So we train the customers, we have a lot of spare parts, we have a lot of well-known technicians who react very quickly. And it is our strong, like a PLASTPOL brand.
I know you have the strong team here. So could you please share to me how about your after-sales service team?
Yes, it's big team, well-known team, and very experienced team. So we have a lot of activities to our customer what we can offer. It's like a special trainings. For example, it's important. Also, we make some open days. We present new solutions and we support them in different spaces. I think it's important.
If the customer make a call to your team, say, my machine has some question, could you please help me deal with it? So how many hours you feedback to them?
Usually it's just next day. So we are able to make the whole things.
Maybe about within 20 hours or 24 hours, something like this, right?
Yes, it's our aim. We have a lot of spare parts on the warehouse. That's why we react very quickly.
Wow, that is wonderful. I'm sure at this point, many customers will like and interesting with you.
Of course, I think the one side is a machine, of course, but the rest is the support. It could be very good. I think we are one of the best in Poland.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you very much.
I wish good business.
Thank you very much.